Most of you have been wondering if I play Free Fire on PC, and not just Free Fire, other games, because I play Broad Strike, but not consistently like Free Fire. So I don't play Free Fire on PC. I play Free Fire on my mobile phone. As you can see from the way I recorded this video, it's not from PC. Let me show you guys something. So you can see my applications right here. You can see everything, and then when I minimize, I go back to Free Fire. You can see this is definitely a phone, right? So using a third-party app like the Digimouse Pro 2. This is it, the Digimouse Pro 2. You can see it, Digi Gaming. So this is my account. This is my account, and this is how the interface of the application looks like. So all you need to do is to get this app if you want to, play Free Fire on your phone using a keyboard and a mouse. Well, all you need to do is to get this app. Digimouse Pro 2 is on Play Store. I'm not like advertising the app, I'm just telling you. So if you get the app and then you sign up, after signing up, is it after signing up or before signing up? But all I know is that you sign up, you activate the app, which can be pretty it can be pretty like so tiring sometimes when you're activating this app. After you activate, you can let me show you guys. You can add your games from here. When you click on this plus icon, you can add your Free Fire gaming, which you can see right here. So you can also use your mouse and keyboard after connecting it to your phone using a USB hub. You can see it from here. You can scroll, you can do anything you want on your phone, just like PC. So after you add up the game, you can launch it. So you can also, but before then, you can subscribe to the premium version of this application. You can see it's just like $1 or thereabout, but this is my own currency, 1,830 naira. Or you can go for the annual, which is 15,000 naira. So sometimes I do the monthly premium, and sometimes I do the annual premium. After you have added your game, then you click the launch, and then you launch. Then you can see your mouse changes to the application mouse. I don't know if I'm correct with that kind of English. So but as you can see the changes, so from here you can see the floating window or the floating ball they call it. Let me highlight it for you guys to see it very well, the transparency of this. Okay, yeah, you can see it. This is the floating ball of the application. So but once you click on the application ball, you can see where you add the editor is your key mapping keys, like your keys for the any button, like for your HUD. So you can just click on it and double click to add a key from the empty space. So if you're done, you click done, and then you can save. You can access variety of settings, like different kind of settings from here. So let me reduce this to, as usual, it was 30 before, so I don't want it to be too much. Okay, so you can access different settings from here. So I advise you get a mouse with a polling rate of 1000 or more. So but if you don't have up to that, you can set it to anywhere between 125, 250 or 500 hertz. So if you have more than 1000, if your mouse have more than 1000 what's it called, polling rate, you can set this to no limit. So but I use this because I don't think this mouse is up to 1000 polling rate. From here you can set your mouse pointer sensitivity and different kind of sensitivity. All you need to do is just to mess around the app and just find out what works best for you. So you can set your customized display contents, like this one here you're seeing. So I'm running at 40 fps, 30 fps about, and my battery percentage is 82%. You don't have to swipe down here to check your time or check anything else. You can just see it from here. So all you need to do is to just activate it, and then you're good to go. I don't know if you guys have this option in your phones, because I have this high boost, so I can see everything from here. Because this one also comes with some kind of settings that will also enhance your gameplay, like this esports grade control. You can just check it out and just set it to what works best for you. So this is how my key mapping looks like. So I'm currently recording at ultra graphics, depending on your phone, but normally I use standard. But since I'm making a tutorial video, not like playing the game, I use standard, sometimes max graphics, and it's bright. The filter is bright. From your custom HUD, you can set your your keys here. It's very simple. You can see how I set mine. So this is the fire button. You can just drag any key you like. If you double click and then you can click on any key you want. So and then you just click save after you're done. So this is my view. And sometimes my view gets stuck, which I'm coming to that. So from the view you can get your horizontal sensitivity and then your vertical. Is there vertical? Oh, I'm just saying horizontal sensitivity. Okay, all is horizontal sensitivity. Okay, yeah, and your vertical. Sorry, yeah, I'm right. Thought I was wrong. So the FPS view, so first person shooter or shooting view. I don't know. Anyhow, it is. So, but I think this app needs more features and more like the bugs here are kind of. I don't know if it's bug or just that the application is kind of too user friendly to an extent whereby it's not like too premium. I don't even know what to call it, but let me show you guys something from here. So anytime I am shooting an enemy, like sometimes the fire button shoots down. I don't know why, instead of up, which because I'm pulling up, so I don't know why it shoots down. I've been using this for up to 10 months and I've not experienced any warning, no ban, no nothing, except the day I played with a hacker and I wasn't the hacker, right? So that is literally not my fault. It was just Free Fire trying to protect their policy. I don't know if they call it like that. So depending on your mouse, that's how you get your control, your shooting, your headshot, your blah blah blah, your things and things. So depending on your mouse control, your phone, your settings. I haven't showed you guys my sensitivity. This is my sensitivity. Let me do this. So this is how I set my sensitivity. Like this is how it is. So depending on your mouse and your device, you set it the way you want it. You copy mine, I don't think you will get the same results. If I'm getting headshots and you copy mine, I don't think it will work for you. And if I'm not getting headshots and you copy mine, you might get headshot because our devices are not the same. So I would advise you just find out what works best for you. As simple as that. Don't copy settings from other people, anyhow. Sometimes when I click on the jump button, after clicking on the middle mouse button to reset it, the view gets stuck. I don't really know why, but I have a stock view. I have a stock view which is not supposed to be like that. That's so bad. I don't know, maybe it's a bug, like I said. Maybe it's a bug, so they need to really look into that. Why is this guy just following me and bro, can't you just leave me alone, man? What did I even do to bro? So depending on your settings, that's how you get your headshot. So these guys are really funny. Okay, you want to be friends? Alright, let's be friends. If you want to play with your keyboard and a mouse, just like mine, what you need to do or what you need to get is a USB. Now let me not start with that. All you need to get is a mouse, a keyboard, a USB hub, a tripod stand, a phone cooler, because you need it to cool down your phone, right? But the what's it called, the USB hub, you need a PD USB hub because that works well. So if you're playing your game, let me show you guys. If you're playing your games and then you can easily charge your phone at the same time, you can see it right here. My charger is connected. You can see my phone is charging. You can see it here. My phone is charging and I'm playing at the same time. So that's PD wireless charging for you. So if you're using the normal USB hub, you won't get that option because all it does is to just consume your phone battery, and that's all. So I would advise you get the PD wireless, not wireless, PD charging, USB hub or whatever. I'm not really good at tutorials, but I'm just trying my best to do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then kindly give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, for more tutorial videos like this actually. So that's it for that, and see you guys on the next one.